Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Note 12, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with pop-up right here showing you the screenshot and share and edit options, and this will disappear in a moment. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find the actual screenshot that I've captured in your Photos application. I'm gonna navigate to Library and Screenshots album, and in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. For me, this consists of only a single screenshot, which I can tap on to view it. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.